Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize the way you cook healthy meals, the BUYDEEM G67US-A503 electric food steamer. This isn't just another steamer. BUYDEEM has packed this unit with an impressive array of features designed to cater to a wide range of culinary needs. At its core, it boasts 6 versatile functions: manual, egg, meat, seafood, vegetable, and grains. This broad spectrum means you're not limited to just steaming vegetables. The manual mode opens up possibilities for making things like pasta, hot dogs, or even Mexican chicken rolls, really giving you the flexibility to experiment. But it gets even more interesting. This steamer can also be used for stewing soup. With a maximum setting of 1.5 hours for rapid stewing, you can achieve tender, flavorful soups in a relatively short amount of time. And here's a particularly clever feature: you can steam and stew simultaneously. Imagine having a hearty soup simmering in the bottom layer while perfectly steamed fish or vegetables cook above. That's dual functionality that can significantly streamline your meal preparation. When it comes to capacity, the BUYDEEM G67US-A503 is no slouch. Each single layer offers a 7 QT capacity. While it comes standard with 1 or 2 layers of steaming racks, it can accommodate up to 3 layers if you purchase an additional rack separately. To give you a concrete idea, a single layer can comfortably hold 1 turbot or about 22 dumplings. Powering this is a robust 1500 W heating element, which means it heats up remarkably fast. You can expect steam in as little as 60 seconds, which is fantastic for those rushed mornings or evenings. The user interface is designed for convenience. It supports an impressive 18-hour preset timer, meaning you can prep your ingredients in the morning and have a hot meal waiting for you when you get home. There's also a 1.5-hour maximum cooking timer. The process is straightforward: select your function, touch the preset key if needed, adjust the time using the intuitive knob, and hit start. Once your food is cooked, a warm function can maintain a constant temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 6 hours, keeping your meal at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. Health and safety are clearly a priority for BUYDEEM. The steamer is constructed from food-grade stainless steel and baby-grade PP material, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your food. It also incorporates dual protection features for peace of mind. If the water level gets too low, the steamer will pause and prompt you to add water. Crucially, it will automatically power off to prevent dry burning, which not only saves the appliance but also prevents potential hazards. Beyond the core functions, the BUYDEEM G67US-A503 is packed with thoughtful design elements. The high-arch lid is a smart addition, designed to prevent condensation from dripping back onto your food. A clear glass window allows you to monitor the cooking progress without having to lift the lid, which helps maintain consistent steam. The enlarged sauce tray is a welcome detail, making cleaning much easier. For added convenience, there's an external water-filling spout, so you can replenish the water without interrupting the steaming process. The enlarged water level window provides a clear view of how much water is left, and anti-scald handles make it safe and easy to move the unit or its components. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is exceptional. The combination of steaming, stewing, and various preset functions makes this a true multitasker in the kitchen. The rapid heating and large capacity are also significant advantages, saving you time and allowing you to cook for a family. The safety features and healthy materials used are excellent for those focused on well-being. The thoughtful design details, like the external water spout and anti-scald handles, demonstrate a real understanding of user needs. However, there are a couple of points to consider. The maximum cooking time is 1.5 hours, which might be a limitation for extremely long braises or slow-cooked dishes, though it's ample for most steaming and rapid stewing needs. Also, while it comes with a double-layer setup, achieving 3 layers requires an additional purchase, so factor that into your budget if you anticipate needing that extra capacity regularly. In conclusion, the BUYDEEM G67US A503 electric food steamer is a robust, versatile, and intelligently designed appliance. It goes beyond basic steaming to offer a range of cooking methods, all while prioritizing health, safety, and user convenience. If you're looking to add a powerful and flexible tool to your kitchen for preparing healthy and delicious meals, this BUYDEEM steamer is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.